There are a number of ways to find the Commons. Here I am in the content of our Hub course. We can use the link that I provided for you here, open link, and you'll land right on the Commons page. Another way to do it, if you go to the landing page here, you'll see HWDSB Commons. You click on that and it comes to the same page. If you're already logged into the Hub, you will see your name up here. If you're not already logged in, the page will look like this and you'll need to log in. It will take you to the login page and you need to sign in. Then it will come here again. You need to be able to see your name in the top corner. So there are two ways to get to the create a site. You can go right here. This is the easiest. And you'll see create a site. So this will probably be already filled in for you with your login name, but you can put whatever title you want here, something that's appropriate for our classroom. And yes, you want it to appear in search engines because you want people to find it, and you leave all this blank, and then you click create a site. You'll have to wait a couple days before your site becomes live, but when it does become live, you'll see it listed right here. So here's our grade 9 site. We'll go right here and visit that. And this is what it looks like. We're going to use this to do some discussion posting. Everyone is already a member of this blog, and you will see the blog show up in your Sites drop-down menu. And that's it.